Understanding your company's identification numbers is crucial for legal compliance and business operations. These numbers serve as your business's official identity in the eyes of government agencies. Let's break down what these numbers are and how they work. When you form a business, you're assigned a Company Identification Number, or CID, by the Secretary of State once your articles of organization or incorporation are approved. This number serves as an official record of your business and helps track important company information at the state level. The format of your CID varies by state. For example, in California, corporations receive 7-digit numbers beginning with the letter C, such as C9876543. Limited liability companies in California get 12-digit numbers starting with the year of incorporation, like 2018, followed by 12 digits. Separate from your CID is your Employer Identification Number, or EIN, which is issued by the Internal Revenue Service. Think of an EIN as a social security number for your business. You'll need an EIN if your business hires employees, operates as a corporation or partnership, offers tax-deferred pension plans, withholds income taxes for non-resident aliens, pays ATF taxes, or deals with certain entities like REITs, farms, or nonprofits. Your EIN is 9 digits long and displayed in the format XXXXXXXXX. This number is used exclusively for tax purposes and doesn't replace a social security number, authorize work in the United States, or establish eligibility for benefits. If your business undergoes significant ownership changes, you may need to apply for a new EIN. This helps maintain clear separation between different business entities for tax purposes. Many states also require businesses to register for a state tax ID number, which is different from both your CID and EIN. State tax IDs are used for collecting sales tax, withholding employee income tax, and other state-specific tax requirements. You can typically apply for a state tax ID through your state's tax authority website. Looking up company information using these identification numbers can be useful for research or verification purposes. For public companies, you can search the SEC's EDGAR database, where you'll find the EIN at the top of the first page of the annual 10K report, along with ownership and leadership information. Private companies don't have the same public disclosure requirements, but you can still find their EINs through online databases. Some services like Fiend Search offer paid access to millions of identification numbers, while platforms like Westlaw and LexisNexis provide free searches after registration. For nonprofit organizations, you can find their EINs and board member information through their Form 990 tax filings. GuideStar offers a database of nonprofit information that includes these details, with basic searches available for free after registration. If you need to look up a company's state identification number, most Secretary of State offices maintain searchable business databases. These provide information such as the entity name, registration date, business status, and registered agent information. Starting in 2024, certain businesses must file a Beneficial Ownership Information Report, or BOR, under the Corporate Transparency Act. This report requires disclosure of the company's EIN or other tax ID number, along with ownership details, to the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. This new requirement aims to increase transparency and prevent financial crimes. To summarize, your business will likely have multiple identification numbers, a company ID number assigned by your state, a federal employer identification number for tax purposes, and possibly state tax ID numbers. Each serves different purposes and is used by different government agencies. Understanding the distinction between these numbers and knowing when and how to use them is essential for proper business compliance and administration.